How to look prettier without makeup, natural beauty and confidence tips. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Let's be real, there are days when we just don't feel our best. Maybe we don't have time for makeup, or we just want to embrace our natural beauty. And that's exactly what today's video is about. How to look effortlessly pretty, without a single drop of makeup, while feeling confident in your own skin. This is for you, whether you're heading to school, hanging out with friends, or just having a self-care day at home. So grab a cozy drink, get comfy, and let's glow up together. 1. Skincare, the foundation of natural beauty. First things first, skincare is everything. A fresh, healthy complexion instantly makes you look more awake, radiant, and confident. And no, you don't need a 10-step routine. Just these 3 basics. Hydration is key. Drink water like your glow depends on it, because it actually does. A dehydrated face looks dull, but when your skin is hydrated, it's naturally plumper and brighter. Gentle cleansing. Cleansing your face morning and night keeps your skin fresh and prevents breakouts. Choose a mild cleanser that doesn't strip your skin. Moisturizing and SPF. Moisturizer keeps your skin soft. SPF is your best friend. It protects your skin from sun damage, which is one of the biggest causes of aging and dullness. And don't forget about your lips. A hydrating lip balm keeps them soft and naturally pretty. 2. Hair, your crown of confidence. Your hair can change your entire look. Even if you're not wearing makeup, having clean, healthy, and styled hair makes a huge difference. Keep it clean and healthy. Wash your hair regularly, but don't overwash. Natural oils are actually good for shine. Use a lightweight hair oil. Just a few drops of coconut or argan oil make your hair look shinier and well kept. Find your signature hairstyle. Even a simple ponytail or messy bun can look polished when done right. Try styles that frame your face, like soft waves or a sleek low bun. Find what makes you feel the most you. 3. Grooming, the little details that make a big difference. You don't need a full face of makeup to look polished. These small beauty habits make a big impact. Eyebrows. Neatly shaped brows frame your face beautifully. Brush them up with a clear gel for a clean, fresh look. Eyelashes. Curled lashes instantly open up your eyes, even without mascara. Hands and nails. Soft, clean nails make you look put together. A simple clear coat or filed nails can elevate your look. Fragrance. A light, fresh scent makes you feel pretty and put together even on no makeup days. 4. Confidence and posture, the secret to looking radiant. The way you carry yourself is everything. You can have the best skin and hair, but if you slouch and look down, you won't shine the way you're meant to. Stand tall. Good posture makes you instantly look more confident and elegant. Smile more. Genuine smile is the best beauty trick. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate positivity. Make eye contact. It shows confidence and makes you look approachable and warm. Remember, the most beautiful thing you can wear is confidence. At the end of the day, beauty isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel. Taking care of yourself, embracing your natural glow, and walking with confidence will always make you shine. No makeup needed. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and join our little community of glow getters. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite natural beauty hack. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one.